Welcome to our top 10. We have put together a list of car must-haves that we thought one should have for emergency or just comfort. Our goal in this channel is to make life a lot more comfortable and stress and hassle-free. With that in mind, here's a list of 10 car products to have, Car Edition. Based on our research, we've decided that CHGeek wireless car charger mount is our top pick as the best wireless charging car mount. It meets all of the criteria necessary to be considered therapeutically effective and safe, and it's cheaper than many of its competitors. Welcome to Amazon Cool Products channel, our YouTube channel. In this video, we will look at the top 10 best-selling automotive accessories available on the market today. We compared pricing as well as features to come up with this guide. If you want more information and update pricing on the products mentioned, check these links in the description box below. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for next update video. Number 1. CHGeek Wireless Car Charger Mount. CHGeek is one of our personal favorite brands out there as its wireless chargers are quite premium, yet they are not at all expensive. If we talk about the smartphone compatibility of this wireless charging car mount, it works well with almost any Qi-enabled device including smartphones from brands like Apple, Samsung, Google, Huawei, etc. Apart from that, the user experience is quite simple and easy, thanks to the auto clamping and opening features available on this car mount. Since the max power output offered by this wireless charge is 15 watts, it can provide fast charging to the supported devices, which is a great advantage. Moreover, the charger intelligently senses if the phone is placed correctly for charging and notifies with a beeping alarm if there's something wrong. In addition, it is also case-friendly and easy to install too. If you're looking for a wireless charger that will charge your phone efficiently and quickly, then this charger is the one for you. Number 2. Joggers Wall Automatic Car Fire Extinguisher. Fighting a fire in your car is so easy with the Joggers Wall Automatic Car Fire Extinguisher. There is no need to panic if your vehicle's engine catches fire, as the Joggers Wall Automatic Car Fire Extinguisher is a cleverly designed self-activating device that will put out a fire quickly and effectively. The Joggers Wall Fire Extinguisher contains a solid extinguishing agent and a solid cooling agent that mixes to create a chemical reaction and releases a gas that puts out a fire. You can use this firefighting agent safely as it is UL listed. It is very efficient and leaves no residue behind and will not damage the engine. There is no special training involved to use this fire extinguisher. All you have to do is install this unique firefighting gadget on a vehicle's car engine cover or in the engine compartment. Once the heat-sensitive fire extinguisher comes in contact with fire, it will automatically trigger and suppress the fire in less than 10 seconds. Featuring a durable design, the fire extinguisher can be used in extremely cold and high temperatures. Extremely easy to install, the Joggers Wall Fire Extinguisher comes with a 3M tape. Number 3. Track Grabber Tire Traction Device. Get unstuck with Track Grabber, a quick, simple and effective solution when your vehicle is stranded in all types of terrain and adverse weather conditions. These tire traction straps help your slipping tires get unstuck from poor traction situations such as snow, ice, sand or mud. A perfect car emergency kit item for winter weather and a must-have device for hunters and outdoor adventurists. Secure one heavy-duty grabber to each drive wheel and keep front tires straight. Clear away any resistance. Slowly apply power and let the track grabbers engage, lift and move the vehicle to stable terrain. The ultimate tire grabber recovery strap recommended for use on your vehicles with oversized off-road tires. This easy-to-install emergency car kit device can be used over and over again. Made with durable and premium EPDM rubber, heavy-duty rings, reinforced tire straps and carrying bag for easy storage. Number 4. Wolfbox G840S 4K Mirror Dash Cam. The Wolfbox G840S comes with a healthy mix of features including parking assist, GPS, G-sensor, and loop recording. In fact, the G840S Mirror Dash Cam comes with a 32GB DF card, which is great. Coming to the meat of the matter, the Wolfbox G840S features a Sony IMX335 sensor, which paves the way for clear and detailed videos. The same can be said for nighttime videos too. As a matter of fact, several users have noted that the dash cam's night vision is fairly decent. Like any dual dash cam, you will have to resort to hardwiring the rear camera. That said, the installation process is not challenging, and you should be able to do so in less than an hour. Number 5. Auber Car Jump Starter. If you're looking for a power station to jump your vehicle and top off the tire pressure, we recommend the Auber Car Jump Starter. It's fantastic for storing in the garage for jumping multiple vehicles. Featuring a capacity of 12,000 mAh, the car jumper starter portable can work as a portable power bank, charging your phones, tablets, cameras, or other devices quickly during your travels. YR200 jump starter battery pack has 3 LED light modes. In an emergency, this car battery charger jump starter is a lifesaver in the low light when camping, picnicking, or breakdown on an adventure trip. Thanks to the robust cover, portable jump starter battery pack can be protected from bumps or dust. Number 6. Zuas Bike Rack for Car Roof. The rooftop bike rack is of a lightweight body shape that can be easily taken and shared with friends. Fit for mountain bikes, road bikes, trail bikes, or any bike with a quick-release front wheel. Zuas vacuum mount bike carrier system uses an 8-inch suction cup for the fork mount and a 6-inch cup for rear wheel. Each suction cup uses durable UV and weather-resistant concave rubber pads so that they can be attached to flat and curved surfaces. Quick and easy to install and take off with the suction system. It only takes you a few minutes to mount the bike on the roof. Number 7. Enrich Roadside Emergency Car Kit. In an emergency situation, the last thing you want is a confusing or defective car roadside emergency kit that adds even more stress to the scene. Designed to be used sequentially in a crisis, each tool in the Enrich Emergency Roadside Kit was hand-selected for its quality and hardiness, to provide you with a car emergency kit you can truly rely on when you need it most. Don't put yourself and your family at risk with the average dim emergency lights for vehicles that don't provide clear visibility in low light conditions. Bright enough to be seen up to 1 mile away at night, our magnetic 360-degree LED flashing road flares offer 9 different flash modes and are heavy-duty, waterproof and dustproof, for use in any type of weather. Smarter safety, packed in a sturdy carry bag for organized trunk storage, this emergency roadside kit for car includes 6 LED road flares, 1 reflective vest plus storage bag, 1 window breaker and seatbelt cutter, 1 quick crank flashlight, 21 AAA batteries, 1 whistle, and 2 mini screwdrivers. Unlike hammer window breakers that are tough to swing in a small space, our 1-second window tool breaks windows easily with a simple push. Number 8. Is Unstuck Car Tire Anti-Skid Tool. The tooth-like metal plate reaches a length of 14 inches, and so it can help increase extra friction between the spinning tire and the road surface to gain effective traction force, and finally help drivers to get unstuck when bad luck happens. Being made of thick steel means it can withstand even more severe challenges than plastic or aluminum-made products. Travel far with confidence. Installation and removal is so easy that an average adult can handle it without noticeable strength, within 1 to 2 minutes. A pair of work gloves are included for clean operation. It comes with a compact storage box, and unlike bulky plastic traction board, it takes up very little space in vehicle's storage compartment. After installation on the rear tire, it allows the vehicle to move on the road that is too slippery for hundreds of feet. With his Unstuck installed, all you need to do is hold the steering wheel tightly, and keep the vehicle's moving speed under 10 miles per hour. There are 5 level adjustable positions as points of joints for installation, in order to adapt to different requirements based on tire width and how the situation would be. You can utilize the extended part of the tooth-like steel board to increase friction and gain extra traction force when necessary. You can install 2 or more of this product on single or on all wheels that have traction delivered, depending on the specific situation you are in. Number 9. Timeproofed E600 Heads-Up Display. Starting with the brand that has quickly gained the trust of thousands of happy customers, Timeproofed. The company has recently started its journey, but providing reliable products has become their brand identity. And the T600 Universal Car HUD plays an important role in the whole play. This HUD comes with a 2.2 inches LCD screen display. The visuals here are more clearer than any other windshield HUD. Its multicolor switching function allows you to see the numbers clearly. Also, the screen spread equal light over 30 degrees. Thus, you'll have no problem looking at the screen and focusing on the road simultaneously. Here comes the best part about this HUD, it's compatible with every vehicle. The T600 UHD uses an advanced GPS module inside that doesn't require any OBD2 port. Thus, you can use it along with older vehicles as well. The advancement of the HUD reflects in the features it displays. Not only the basic reading is visible, but, with the help of a GPS module, the device will provide you with advanced facts as well. This includes speed-up tests, brake performance tests, etc. Number 10. Reliance or 2PC Traction Trax Mats. The 2-pack recovery traction tracks are constructed of indestructible UV-stabilized thermoplastic rubber joined by a galvanized steel core which is anti-rust to deliver strongest traction and durability, and offers intrepid resistance against impact and flex during recovery. Combined super tough engineering grade reinforced DPR with galvanized steel connecting cables are incredibly durable and can support vehicles weighing up to 7 tons. You will receive 2-pack emergency traction tracks measure 31.5 inches by 8.6 inches with 2 rugged canvas carrying wrap for easy portability and to keep the tracks rolled up and compact when not in use. Unlike typical tire chains, this versatile and flexible ICE traction board's track does not need to be installed on the tire. It can be used as tire chains, snow chains, but it is easier and safer to use than winter snow chains. Traction track mat is the perfect alternative to potentially harmful tire chains. It is a must-have automotive safety accessory for any intrepid off-roaders or anyone who drives anywhere bad weather looms. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked this video or enjoy content like this, give us a like, subscribe to our channel and feel free to leave a comment. Again, our goal in this channel is to find ways to make life a little less difficult with products that do just that, make your life a lot easier. Until next time, have a stress-free day.